Welcome back everybody. So what more I'm just doing here, that we're just receiving the simple input, the simple post, which is we are simply showing to the browser in this way, closing this one, and now we are just getting the Joe or whatever we just sent. So refresh that one, and right now I'm just deleting. Yes, cancel. Now done. So refresh this one. Now it won't have any text. Oh, I have to delete this one too because I just really don't need that. So refresh that one again. I'm sure, yeah, I didn't get any more text. So by the way, what I'm just gonna do here, I'm just going to do Sublime, and I just want to put some kind of validation, as you just read in the title of this class. So did you remember how we do the validation in the PHP? That we have to put the isSet function, and sorry about that, the text. Now isSet function, and then we have to check that if that field is empty, whether what to do and whatever, a lot of things. But I'm not going to do these things because we are just using the CODEIGNITER, which is super easy and best for the busy developers or the lazy developers too. So what I'm just gonna do, first of all, I'm just putting some kind of you can see that the backslashes. Basically I'm just gonna ignore this one, and the next thing is I'm just putting this, that what I'm just doing, this dot input. Actually I'm just doing the same way, the post, and there. Oops, I did a mistake because I'm not gonna do these things. I just need to type the form validation. This is the function. Now what more I need, I'm just putting after the form validation the method. I'm just typing set rules. That is super perfect what I did. Now I'm going inside, and now just go to the login view. What I'm just gonna send from this page, first of all the form input, and then the form input, another form input. Actually we are just sending two form inputs. In this first one we have some kind of username type things, and in the label 2, in the input 2, we are just sending the password. So now what is the name of this, the in attributes, the name is the user. So go to the login con, and first of all we just need to type the user. So what is this thing? What is the user? This is the name of the post. We just want to apply the form validation. Okay, now second, we just need to add that what we just want to receive from that page to make the condition true. Actually what I'm just gonna send or receive the what I'm just gonna receive or expect to receive the data by this username. So there, I'm just simply typing capital JOE. Actually I'm not putting some kind of variable right now. I'm just simply hard coding the name Joe. Then we will use some kind of variables too in the different techniques. So by the way, add a comma. So now if I just didn't put the if I just don't put the Joe, then I'll get the error. By the way, what more I need to do now, just set some more rules and basically the validation, like the minimum length, the maximum length, and the trim if you just want to trim, and if you just want to required value, or actually you just want to clear that you just really want that one or no. So for these things we just need to type that things, the validation elements. So before putting anything here, I'm just going to the browser and duplicate this one. Basically I'm just typing the CODEIGNITER, okay, .com, and pressing enter. Now the website is loading basically, and it should be loaded. Oops, oh, spelling mistake there, the CODEIGNITER and the www, press enter. That is super perfect. Now actually I just went to the wrong website. I just need to click on the documentation, and now I just need to go to the CODEIGNITER's 3x, because that we are just using the 3x there. Now I just don't need to download the user guide. So by the way, we just need to go to the read the user guide online, because I just want to read that one. So I just clicked there, and now I'm just inside the user guide. And what more I need, there are the URLs and etc, the libraries. I just want to go to the libraries, so just simply click on the libraries. Now you can see that we are inside the libraries. What I just need to search, I just need to search the form validation. Now just type form validation and press enter. Now, oh, it is searching basically. Now you can see that the form validation, just click on the form validation. And what more I need, a form is displayed, the form validation tutorial etc, go to the top. Yep, rules reference. I just need to go to the rule reference. Now you can see all the things. Now you can see that they require and which return false if the, you can see that the form element is empty. Now the matches, the differ, and the enlist, the alpha, the min length, the minimum length. And how to use the minimum length? There is no way to use the required, but there is a way to use the matches. Just type message and the form item there. Now to use the minimum length, just type min length 3, 4, 5 or whatever. The maximum length, the max length, and then 2 square brackets, and then the value, how much maximum length you want of the specific value. You can see that we are just getting the user. What is the user? The user is this input basically. So what is the minimum length I'm expecting from the user? I'm expecting around 4, not the 3, so I'm going there. So in the same manner, I just need to type the min length and then the square brackets. So here the min length, I just want, in the same manner, I just want this 3 in the 4. Now put a pipe, the pipe sign, and then the next validation. Go to the browser back, and there, this is the max length. I can put the max length, the exact length, the greater than, the less than, greater than and equal to, less than and equal to, whatever you want you can apply etc. You can see a lot of things here which actually you will love the CODEIGNITER because it has the best validation ways. You just don't need to use the if else and etc. Everything is inside the CODEIGNITER and actually pre-created. We just need to call these things. The max length, now gdh. Now what is the max length I want? I want this maximum as 8. Okay, now we can put the exact length too. If I just put the exact, you know that there is no need to use the minimum or maximum length, by the way. Now save. Any more thing you want? I'm just adding the sign again. I just want this as must, so I just need to put the required, and there isn't any example because I just simply call the required as it is. Go to the Sublime and just simply type the required. Save and go to the browser and go to the login panel. Well, in this class I'm not gonna go to the login panel. Basically I'll just go to the login panel in the next class, and I'll do some more things. So stay tuned and goodbye.